Hi, this is John, and I'm doing a review. It's going to be for the Hampton Bay landscaping lights. This is a landscaping light that I purchased from Home Depot. This is not going to be your average cheap landscaping lights that you buy from Walmart. It's a really nice quality. It comes with a 3 lumens light LED light bulb that's inside. It's also solar powered, as you can see from the top. Right inside, it is right there. It's right inside. The outside of the landscaping light is made of glass, okay? And it was easy to put together. There's only basically just 3 pieces. You have the main piece that's right over there. You have the stem, and you have the part that goes right into the ground. When you do get the light, landscaping light, you have to take the top off, and then you are going to pull the tag, which activates the battery. And it does come with a rechargeable battery that you can put in for the landscaping light. If you're going to be able to watch the next video that I'm going to post, you'll be able to see the light for the landscaping light, which is going to come on. And again, this is made by Hampton Bay. Very nice light, and again, easy to put together. Hey, thanks a lot for checking out my post on YouTube. Be sure to check out my other videos on my YouTube channel, and you guys have a great day. Bye.